Hello friends, welcome to my channel Visa Vlogs, and today we're going to talk about the most demanding topic, why Canada visa gets rejected. So top 7 reasons are coming here, so stay tuned on my channel to understand that. So there are several reasons why a Canada visa application can get rejected. So let's talk about some common reasons of rejection. So the first common reason is incomplete or inaccurate information in your application. This can be anything like missing information or a mismatch in the information or any such important piece of document that you forgot to attach in the file. For example, if you've applied your visa application and you've attached the passport of all the pages and there was a travel information where you traveled in the recent past and you've not mentioned that in the application form, this could be a mismatch or inaccurate information in your file leading to rejection. The next important reason that comes as a rejection reason could be insufficiency of funds. Now, when we say insufficiency of funds, it means you do not have enough financial support to sponsor for yourself or your dependents who are traveling with you to Canada, and that could be a reason of rejection. So it's very important that if you have funds, don't go by the minimum criteria as required for the visa application, but show the maximum funds possible that you have, that you can carry with you for your travel to Canada. The third most common reason that we see for a visa rejection is lack of clear travel purpose. Means the purpose of travel is not clear, or the intention of returning back to the home country is not clear. So to explain this further, I would like to mention that whenever a visa officer sees your file, they are interested to know that since they are granting a temporary visit to you, they want to know what is the reason of you coming to Canada, as well as they want to know when are you probably going to return, so that they know that what is the probable length of stay, and this would help them in granting the visa. A next probable reason of rejection could be previous immigration violations. When we say this, it means you have violated the immigration laws or you have a history of a previous rejection on your file. For example, you were granted a visa for 10 days for a business travel, but you've exceeded or overstayed your travel. This is one of the reasons where immigration law is violated and could lead to a further application of visa. Next probable reason is providing fraudulent or false information. This is another common reason that comes up where the visa is rejected, because the data that you have provided is scrutinized by the officials. They go and do a background check maybe on your education, your experience, your funds, the statements that you provided for funds, or the various other documentations like even a marriage certificate. And any of these documents that come as a fraud could lead to a visa rejection. A next probable reason of rejection is having a criminal history or security concerns. So if the visa officer finds a record of criminal record on your file or has found you to be associated with any illegal activities or security concerns, your visa file could be rejected. Last but not the least are some medical issues. So when the visa officer feels that your medical condition is such that it can pose a risk to the public health, then he might think of rejecting your visa. It's most likely that they reject the visa for this reason when there is a very serious medical concern. And it's not a very common reason, but could be one of the probable reasons of visa rejection. So this brings us to the end of our video on probable reasons of visa rejection. Hope you liked my video, and it's important that you remember that each case of visa application is evaluated on a case-by-case basis, and the rejection could depend on the circumstances and the documentation that you have provided in the file. So it's necessary that you review your application thoroughly, attach all the necessary documents which are true, honest, so that the visa officer does not get a reason of rejection on your file. And please stay tuned to our channel so that you can get more information and more wonderful videos that we make for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends and colleagues, and do visit Canada because it's a wonderful country. Stay tuned.